Did you purchase the wrong adjustable bed replacement remote on eBay or Amazon? Or you're just not sure of exactly what type of replacement remote you need? This is a common inquiry that we receive from many of our customers here at Genesis Warranty Solutions. The problem is, adjustable bed remotes run on a very specific radio frequency that matches its respective control box. Your original remote control has an FCC ID number that identifies that frequency. So if the remote control that you select doesn't have the exact same frequency, then it will not work. Same is true if the button configuration of the replacement remote is different and does not match the original. In some cases, when a customer has no idea what remote they need because it's been lost, then the only way to overcome this issue is to replace the control box and the remote control with a model that's engineered to work together. There are way too many remote controls to guess which one works. Not to mention the frustration of returning remotes that don't work. If this sounds like you, give us a call and speak to one of our adjustable bed experts. You'll be happy you did.